Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool mismatch right here, and basically what this is a smart door lock. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from a brand called Geeksmart. And you see in this right here, this is basically what the product looks like. And you see right here, they probably got some of the specs and features that's on here. But first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what it actually looks like inside first. So when you guys first open the product here, you can see they probably got a bunch of stuff on here. So first thing right here, they probably got a user manual to teach you guys how to use it and also how to set up as well. Right here, they probably got the warranty card. And then right here, they probably got the card to help you guys install the product. And then when we take off this part right here, this is basically what the product looks right here. If you can see, there's definitely a lot of stuff that's provided for you guys inside right here. But let's take it all out. So right here, they probably got the tip card right here. Right here, they probably got some mounting accessories or tools that you can use to mount the product onto your door. Right here, they probably got some keys that you can use as an emergency if the keyless option does not work. Right here, they probably got these two accessories right here if you guys want to actually attach it onto your keys. Right here, they probably got the inner layer of the door. Right here, they probably got some more mounting accessories. And then right here, we do have the actual product. If you can see, this basically actually looks like right here. So definitely on this slide right here, you can definitely see the brand logo right here. And then you do have the option for you guys to twist this option when you guys open it up. They do have a button for you guys to press to lock it. And you basically want to set this up in the inside. And then here it actually looks like this slide right here. Whereas for the other side right here, they do have the cable for you to plug in to actually activate the product. And top right here, we do have the fingerprint option. And this is basically what the front part looks like right here. On the front part right here, it's supposed to give you guys the option to use the touchpad on here to type in the numbers if you don't want to use the key option or if you guys don't want to use the finger option right here. If you guys are curious about where the keys, it's basically in the bottom part right here. And then right next to the key option right here, there's also a slot for you to plug in the cable to actually recharge it. And basically when you guys want to open up, you just want to twist it as well. Just like that. And right here is basically what the inside looks right here. So there is a cable option for you to plug it in to actually activate the other side of the product. And that is basically everything that's included in the package right here. Now I'm going to show you guys how to install the product. So first thing I'm going to do is screw on these two parts right here with the accessory that we provide for you guys. Once you guys do that, you basically want to put this inside right here. Make sure it goes all the way through. Once you guys do that, then set up the other part right here. And basically the way how you guys set up the other part, you basically want to unscrew this part right here first. So I'm using the screwdriver that I have right here since it's not included. And take it out, put that on one side, and then this is basically what the inside looks like. So definitely we'll need to use 4 of these AA batteries later on, but we need to unscrew this part here first. Once you guys unscrew those two parts there, you guys want to take it out. And then this is basically what the inside looks right here. So basically you want to plug in the cord screw right here, and you want to plug it in right here. So just like this, put it through right here, slide it in. Once you guys have the cable through right here, you guys want to plug it right here. So just like that. And then once you guys finish that part right here, you guys want to get the screws to actually screw it in. So you guys want to get this long screw right here to screw it in. You basically want to do the same thing for other side as well before you guys screw it in all the way. Alright, so once you guys put it in right there, you basically want to put that on the cover first, which is this part right here. Alright, so once you guys put the cover back on top, you can definitely put the batteries inside. So I should do that first. Alright, so I got my 4 batteries in. Let's put it back on the cover. So the cover only fits one way. So once you guys got it in, you guys want to screw it back on top. Alright, so once you guys finish setting up the product, this actually looks right here. So you definitely have the lock button in the back, and then here it actually looks like in the front. You definitely have the fingerprint on top. So right now we don't have the fingerprint set up yet. That's why I'm actually giving you guys an error. And see in the bottom part here, when you guys plug in the cable, it definitely activates the product. So when you touch the screen right here, you can see how she activated on there. So you see the bottom part here, we do have the cable plugged in, and that basically activates the power right here. So I'm assuming if it's your first time using the product, you definitely want to fully charge it first before you guys use it. There's definitely an option for you guys to use the key option at the bottom to actually unlock it and lock it as well. But you see when I actually use the power right here, it definitely does work. Now let's download the app to show you guys how to actually use it first. So you basically want to select the device that you have. So in this case, we do have a smart lock. And it basically let you guys choose your model that you guys have. And we have this one right here. Alright, so it tells us to activate the screen. Alright, so activate the screen on here. So looking for the device right now. Alright, so we gotta connect it. So if you're curious about what the app looks like once you guys finish downloading it and pair it, this actually looks right here. So right now we have it locked. And then that unlocks it. So you definitely have the option to manage your users on here. So if you guys want to share it with a family member, you definitely can. It shows you guys to unlock the record, password management, fingerprint management, and IC card management as well. So basically this thing that I showed you guys earlier is not like a keychain option. It's the IC card that you use to actually unlock the actual keys on here. So let's test out the fingerprint option on here first. So when I add my fingerprint on here, Alright, so we got our fingerprint all set right here. So we try to unlock it. That works. Alright. And we see we actually let go right there. It actually turns off by itself and locks it automatically for you guys. If you guys want to use the password option, you can definitely set that on the app as well. Alright, so I just created a passcode on here. Let's test it out. Alright, so it definitely does work. And it automatically locks for you guys. So definitely the fingerprint option on here definitely does work. And also the keypad as well. And then if you guys want to set up the IC card, you can definitely do that as well. Alright, so we got all set. So we just tap the card now. That basically unlocks it. And it locks it automatically on here. So see, everything on here definitely does work. The key option, the keyless option, the fingerprint option, the card option, and also the keypad as well. So you definitely have a lot of different options on here to choose from in terms of how to actually unlock it, which is definitely pretty awesome. So that is basically everything that's on bar here in terms of how to set up and also how to use it as well. Obviously, when you guys install it, you guys want to put it inside the door. But you see we actually set up right here. This is basically what it looks like. So now to go unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to upgrade into like the smart door locks and you don't like the old-fashioned door locks, then definitely getting one of these is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.